Ay vatsongo va ka hina hi manyanga se komisa se loko nga se subscribe ni kombela subscribe a swi tika swilo leswiwani ku pressa le button lin'wana li nga ko kwalaho ra red ni nga tsala ku subscribe loko ri u login hi email ya wena. So video leyi ni ended the very same day buti wa n'wina va nga humesa statement va ku huma ka EFF ni swi endle mhaka ku se swa boha a ni kumbexana ta endla hi ma va humesa statement hikuva swi va tivisa no mamba lele is part of the team, but then session boha ma swi twisisa. So I have to react ka leswi va swi endlaka buti wa n'wina. First of all, I think it's a great idea that his team working Chauke na van'wanyana came up with an idea ya ku hleketa ku represent this guy. It's very important because as I said earlier on xikarhi ka lembe last year he was towards the full a ri ku wini futhi a wini mo ni swi vekisa sweswo no ku a wini a swi herile yena, but anyways they did a good thing hi ku ngula ku ngwisa game. So here's my reaction to this kind of stuff. You know, ndasungula ya EFF vanhu lava va ku pfunaku va ku khumbaku loko u nga ri fashionable i vanhu lava ku rhandzaku munhu swi veka ndlela leyi vanhu lava nga ta tshinela kusuhani na wena ni loko wo bayisa i ti humela kumbe xana kun'wanyana i vanhu lava ku rhandzaku a hi vanhu lava va nga ta va ku lavaku because they benefit from you. The EFF is not into Benny Mayengani because Benny Mayengani ava benefita from support ya yena. First of all, Benny Mayengani nge sama prove nchumu wa hleketa yena, because you think people vote because va vona Benny Mayengani kha chinela EFF. Nah, they don't do that. People vote because they believe that there's a potential leadership, there's leadership in that 10%. As Matsonga iku Benny Mayengani wa hleketa. He has never given us that opportunity ya ku vona ku wa hleketa u hi nyikete ku hi ku wa hleketa. No way. All of those things leswi hi swi vulaka ku Benny Mayengani a ta endlela swa yena last year, and we also was going through his downfall, through his declining, because at the exposure to his only thinking. Now kuna gang the likes of King Chauke, Awad and all these kind of guys, they've convinced him go, hey but sharp if you want to rebrand your shit Sika EFF is endlily, but I criticize that. It's one of the baddest moves because the very same EFF saved Benny Mayengani our school in this one. Atara na mal na pay na xilahla xixata ka ku ti video ka famba hi xona atara because the moment wo Julius Malema threatened ku they will put Dalimpofu ka case ya Casper Verse u shakile. Why? Because he had good lawyers, obviously, because he has money, way more than Mayengani has. But because Dalimpofu has a bit of certain experience in the courts of South Africa, means he has certain influences, and the case letter tingena obviously it's a win for him. That's why Casper Verse shaked. Shaked financial president Mayengani. So nzama ku vula ku there are certain people who stand by you in your worst, in your bad moves. They support you, but then at the end of the day, because you want to rebrand your stuff, agenda ta gang working obviously because with ANC and they're benefiting from ANC. Again, I won't go deep in terms of that. They don't want to be seen associated with someone who's pushing the EFF in a public arena. That's the reason why they pushed him out of the EFF. They've been attempting to end this one for 8 years now. Let's move on. I think the idea of pulling out from Songa Music Awards is one of the most. I know him going, including myself, in a kusola with what I'm going to show you. Everybody see by shower, man by shower, Jewish man by shower. But I some proof. In history, I some proof. And after that, look, Benny Mayengani get the level where James Command Kubina a unit, your investigation, laying our corner, I say BC, la investigate, I would have sort out Kumbejana. But then our Kumangchu, if really that what that chaps you Abarandan batir, Nelem Tron show if we look when in Kualau, of Togolong Victor no way, man. Local host talk, I shall sat out on a tongue people. And give a Fambicalo and a long way shall sat out. So it's more like Iptoya, Lumun Achavandambi, I pull out of the awards. Anyways, it's his career, but then all of the two decisions that he has taken the weak and ta criticize yo munhu la xava competition u komba ku yena nga tshembi u good enough ku fika kwihi, you know. A nga swi endli leswiwani way back loko va Mr Post va humesa ti-weak albums, a nga swi endli leswiwani loko va Hennessy va humesa ti-weak albums, but then like sa vona ku the very same people which he underrated, that they now have numbers as much as he does, he's pulling back, you see. So it's one of the weaknesses, but then mi nga ni vengeli tiyiso ni byeleni mi ti vona njhani ti-decision ta Benny Mayengani two. And the third one, I think the third or the fourth one, it has to do with the one man show leswi a nga u lava ku cinca vito ra fill up a yi tirhisa ako i one man show as a endle risimu ra yena. Then the other one i ku tivisa timhaka ta mambolele na ku swinguringwirima swi ta ku chaya yena mos a hi ti tsemeni kwalawani ni kombela mi subscribe na mi khensa u tsongo ka yena.